So today, for kind of a fun Friday activity, I thought I would show you how to do some Japanese writing. Now remember, when we were back at school, we talked Japan has 3 different alphabets, essentially. They have kanji, which, remember, each symbol represents an entire word. They have hiragana, which each symbol represents a sound, kind of like our alphabet. And then they also have katakana, which is for words that are not Japanese. So words like, for this sheet is the word America. That's not a Japanese word. So they have another set of characters that they use for words that are not originally Japanese. So I will show you an example of how to do the kanji, but I will post all 3 sheets so you can go ahead and do it. Now at school, we normally use watercolor paints. So if you have paints, that'd be perfect. I don't have any watercolor paints, so I'm going to go ahead and use a Sharpie. If you're like me and you don't have paints, Sharpie, marker, pencil, anything really works. But the paint is typically what we use at school. It's pretty fun. But anyway, so how this works is it's almost kind of like connect the dots. You start, you want to find the 1, and then you look at the arrow and kind of try to go the same direction as the arrow and kind of connect all those dots, okay? And so we're doing the kanji for cherry blossom. So if you remember, you pronounce that by saying sakura. So this is, okay, there's 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, there's my first kanji. Then I'm going to go ahead and find 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10. And there you have it. I wrote the kanji for cherry blossom. Now, the really fun part is that if we were doing Japanese school day or if you were actually in Japan and you were doing some Japanese writing, the teacher would then have a red pen or a red set of paints and would come and look at your work. If the teacher thought something was a little sloppy, like I see my kanji here, look at this. They would circle and they would say, oh, that's the part you want to redo, right? And then so I'd practice again with making sure that that line doesn't float up. But if they thought that everything looked good, they would do a swirl around it. Okay, so if after you practice making your Japanese words or letters, you can go ahead and give yourself a mark, or have somebody that you are with right now give yourself a mark based on how well you did. But then also below it is going to be the same. We're going to be writing sakura again, but this time it gives you a little less help to see how you do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, right, 8, 9, 10. All right. And that is the example for Japanese writing. I hope you have a good time with this.